Big Bird. Yes, Peter? What is it? Do you know what today is? March 20th. March 20th. And do you know whose birthday it is? Mr. Rogers? Yes, but who else is celebrating a birthday on March 20th? Aha! I got it! What is it? It's my birthday! It's March 20th, your birthday? Yes. Oh, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Big Bird! Happy birthday to you! Ah, thank you, Peter, for singing me a happy birthday here. Now, where is Mr. Snuffle up again? Snuffy! Hey, Bird! Hey, Bird! Hello, Snuffy! Do you know what today is? I'm sure. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Bird! Happy birthday! And we need a bird. Wow! That's a birdseed cake! Aw, happy birthday, Bird!
He gets right there, and
happy birthday, Bird!
Has a problem with the offensive player because Walton did not go to the floor. Cochran ends up getting that basketball away from him.
Happy birthday! I'm the birthday bird.